bago kami pumasok sa mats na yan, we're prepared talaga. And di naman natin may iwasan talaga may mga ganitong mga bagay na nangyayari. Iba talaga pag nasa blue mats talaga, the main competition. And that will be one thing that we will prepare for next year. We will make sure na we will be strong mentally. So yun yung aming next goal talaga. Next step, kanina nga lang sabi ko sa manager ko, kasi kailangan, I have to explain everything. So sabi ko sa kanya, meron na pa akong pyramid, meron na pa akong stand. Nag-iisip talaga, naka-note siya. So it's nice na, it's my first time to be head coach na nakakaisip ako while the competition is ongoing. Nag-jot down talaga ako sa notes. Tapos naka-ano siya, face na password. Ano hindi makita, ganon. So yun po, happy naman po kami.
Thank you. To Neo, you have one of the, yung maningin super, yung performance yung deductions pa at least di masyadong madami. So, pero just, medyo kinapos lang. So, what can you say about your performance overall? Kahit,
siguro po, yun nga po sabi po ni Coach Gabs na may kinapos, pero alam ko po na ginawa po ng team yung best namin, and alam ko po na may reason po lahat ng nangyari po ngayon. And sure po next year na babawi kami, and alam po namin na gold kami next year.
Yes.
Next season.
Yes.
okay, the bar is open for questions.
Coach, sabi mo mixed emotions. Obviously, you're still happy, but given the standards of NU, you
Later
always
ko
want,
iyak yan. Later.
you always want the championship. But personally, Coach, with this being your first year as the really head coach, can you say na in a way naramdaman ng Pep Squad yung pressure na yung standards kailangan ganito or naka-affect sa routine niyo?
Siguro pinipare namin sila doon eh. Kasi bago ka maging NU Pep, talagang yan yung standard namin. Yan yung tinuro sa amin ng management namin. Then ang tinuro ng NU community sa amin to strive hard, tsaka mag-excel talaga sa craft na ginagawa namin. Kaya yung di namin makuha yung gold, laking bagay na sa amin yun eh. Sobrang yung silver, sad kami, silver. Second yun, may podium kami. Pero ganun talaga eh, gusto namin, paano masasabihin yun? Ayoko maging parang masyado naman tong gusto gold. Ganun kasi, hindi pwede maging competition kung hindi ka nag-gold sa pinakataas. So yun lagi namin finifeed sa kanila. Kailangan natin maging magaling sa lahat ng bagay. Again, we all know naman na maganda ang support ng aming management, ng NU community in terms, hindi lang sa academics, kundi sa kanilang benefits, lahat. So we want to give back yung binibigay nila sa amin through our performance. So nakakasad lang na hindi kami nanalo, pero that's part of the competition. Tinuturo namin talaga sa kanila yon na parang business talagang nangyari, na kailangan mong galingan ng galingan para marami kang customer. Parang same with the competition. Kailangan namin galingan para we always win talaga. We challenge ourselves talaga. Ganun po.
Coach, maiba ako. During the awarding, may nakita kaming isang member na merong hawak na frame.
Yeah.
Can you share your story about
Si Gil yan kasi yung father niya namatay. So lahat talaga ng kanyang, hindi naman now, pero lagi niya dinededicate yung kanyang win kasi sa father niya. Kasi sobrang love siya ng father niya. So lagi siya may ganon, may dala siya talagang frame ng father niya. Yun po. Yes po. Di, meron lang ako isa-share. Yung isa sa amin talaga, kung napansin nyo, meron kaming isang member talaga na PWD. Meron siyang deformity sa hands. So we want to share lang everyone na ang NU Pep Squad ay open kami sa ganung mga cheerleaders, dancers, gymnasts. Kasi alam namin na bawat isa kaya nila mag-perform. Akala nila talaga hindi nakakapagbuhat. Talaga kung makikita niyo siya, para siyang hindi niya kaya yung cheerleading level ng NU kasi sobrang dami naming circus type of performance, flipping, na paano makakatulong yung isang deformed hand na hindi pa kompleto ang fingers niya. So, ganun kami ka-open with NU Pep Squad.
Coach, despite the second place finish, you finished again, parang pinakamababa po sa deduction. Is this something you see as a positive takeaway from your life?
Again, sabi naman po ninyo lahat may positivity na nangyayari sa amin. Para siyang nung 2017 namin na despite of having maraming errors, may positive kaming nakuha doon. And yun yung dadali namin for the next competition. Yun yung pangahawakan namin to bring the crown back sa Hokson, and we want to stay that way. We want to stay the brand of NU Pep Squad na maging competitive talaga sa larangan ng cheerleading. Ang daldal ko ba? Sorry talaga.
Better nga.
Yeah, go.
Ano po, since you have mentioned na po yung mga struggles niyo this year, pero how can you evaluate po yourself and team as this is your first year as the head coach? Can you share like a little bit of your journey or kaya opinion niyo po talaga kung paano po yung throughout your season?
Oh wow. Kanina, sabi nung aming dance coach, our consultant dance coach na si Coach Jim Lloyd, he is the choreographer of Fem Manila. Sabi niya, kaka-mix pa lang ng 3-in-1 coffee. Yun yung pagkasabi niya sa akin. And then I realized, oo nga, kaka-start pa lang namin. Kasi it's a very different dynamics ng coaches. We have a coach na from UP ngayon, kinuha namin. We have Coach Nikki na first batch namin ng NU. And then me as the head coach, Coach Deo po yung taga-UP. And then we have Coach Jim Lloyd from consultant for dance. So, kanya yung naging dynamics namin. So, hindi siya katulad kasi ng group namin nila Coach Jika, Coach Jess, and Coach Carl before. Now, we came from one team. We know already yung aming gusto. And then we have our mutual understanding already na technically hindi talaga kami nagagalit, pero meron kami tinatawag na silent war. So may ganun kami. Ngayon kasi I need to be more like Jika, na hindi naman ako yon. So I have to manage yung, alam niyo naman sinabi ko nung interview before, like a mother coach. So parang kailangan kong intindihin yung bawat isa sa kanila, na hindi ako yon. Diba? Ang hirap maging Jika May Bernabe, na nag-iisang Jika Bernabe yan. It's very, very hard na gawin ko yung mga, ma-fill in ko yung mga shoes na mga nawala naming coaches sa senior. That's why kumukuha ko na makilala ko. Kilala ko personally na coaches. And then yun, nakabuo naman kami na magandang routine. I'm happy na nakasurvive kami this season. And we will make sure yung pag-mix namin, sobrang mix na yon sa dadating na UAAP Cheer at Season 87.